Let's make Eid special roast leg of lamb. Make everyone happy with this beautiful masterpiece. With a very sharp knife, score your leg of lamb. Crisscross pattern all over. Fat all over the leg will help it make it juicy. Making a very simple rub. Salt, chili flakes, white pepper, mustard, red peppercorns and lots of ghee. Lay all over your leg of lamb. Make sure you cover every nook and cranny. Leg of lamb is approximately 2 kilos heavy. It's more than enough to feed 6 to 8 people. Before it enters the oven, I like to cover the whole thing up with loads of garlic, skin on. Give yourself some fresh rosemary. I pinched some off from my neighbour's garden. Here's an important step. Cover with baking paper, then tinfoil. Roast for an hour at 200 degrees and then take it out. All the juice should come out, and on that you want to lay in your favourite vegetables. Roasted onions, garlic and peppers is my kind of thing. After 2 more hours of cooking time, you should have the perfect roast lamb. It is so juicy and you get loads of gravy. I like to slice up the whole thing, get rid of the bone. For me, the best bit is having it all with the roasted garlic. For me, that flavour profile, just sweet and nutty, just oof. So on Eid day, this is what I like to do. Just lay up a charcuterie style board. Neat fashion, just lay everything out. So much gravy comes out. You can't forget the gravy. Would be criminal. You got to make this on Eid day.